All right, guys, welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. So before I jump into today's video, if you could jump down there, hit that little red button underneath the video that says subscribe if you haven't already. We'd love to have you on the team, part of the family. While you're down there, maybe hit that like, share, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. All right. So actually just a little thought that came to my head here. I thought I make a video about it. Because of all these COVID restrictions, and especially up here in Canada, there's a lot of COVID restrictions. I think Ontario's in another lockdown. Here in Alberta, you can't really do anything. So how does that relate to landscape photography? So with travel restrictions, and it's advised that you don't do any interprovincial or traveling, maybe shoot local. Go onto your phone, fire up Google Earth on your phone or on your computer, and draw a circle, a 2-hour radius circle around where you live, and then maybe pick out spots within that circle. Fortunately for me, I live in a city just northeast of Edmonton called Fort Saskatchewan, and I just completed a winter series of photos, and series 2 is coming pretty quick here. So my pro tip for you guys, all you landscape photographers who are itching to get out but can't because restrictions, just draw a 2-hour circle radius around where you live and start picking off some places that you might not otherwise go to. Because yeah, of course, everybody wants to go to Banff, to Jasper, to get those epic mountains. They're still there. Challenge yourself to do a local shoot. So, little pro tip for today. Challenge yourself to photograph something. Doesn't even have to be landscape related. Just go shoot something within that 2-hour radius. Make a day out of it. Take your family. Nice little outing of the house. I know all of us have been cooped up for way too long. Way too long. So, if you like this idea, let me know down in the comments below. Just say, yeah, Nick, that's a great idea. I'm going to go shoot something. And then tag me in it. If you're on Instagram and you follow me, tag me. I would love to see it. Love to see it. All right, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Hit that share button. Hit that little bell notification. Be greatly appreciated. Also follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Another question for you. Is this working for you? This backdrop? I don't know. I think I might want to change it up. We'll see what happens. How many of you are hockey fans? Me being Canadian, of course I'm a hockey fan. I mean, look at my hat. You know which team I support. Speaking of which, have you guys noticed? It seems like the Oilers are losing every second game. Maybe we watch every second game. At least your feelings won't be hurt. Peace.